Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method in Python, which is format underscore map. So this method is used to map the field inside a placeholders. Okay, so there are two scenarios. We will discuss each and every scenario one by one. So let's discuss the first scenario. So in first scenario, you can see that we are using one dictionary, and if you are not aware of dictionary, then you can for now you can understand that it holds the data in key value pair inside a curly braces. So you can see this is the one element of the dictionary where name is the key and value is the ls, and age is the key and 30 is the value for second element. Okay, so this is the dictionary. This person is the dictionary. Now what we are doing here, we are formatting the one string using placeholders. So placeholders are these curly braces which will be replaced with the value which we are providing from the format map. Okay, and we are also mentioning from which key value we need to take this value. So to use this dot format map, you can simply write your string, whether it is a variable or whatever the thing you are using. Just after that, use dot format underscore map, and inside the parenthesis you can pass the dictionary name. So my dictionary name is person, so I'm passing it. So what it will do, it will firstly look at the dictionary, then it will look at the key, and then inside a key it will pick that value of that particular key. So here you can see placeholder is filled with name, so it will go for name key, and then the value is ls. So this placeholder will be replaced with ls. Similarly, it will go for the second placeholder and then search for the age key inside the dictionary and replace the value with 30. Okay, and then we are printing the formatted string. So let's save this and press Ctrl Shift and Tilde to run the terminal. And here I will put my program name, which is Python space session 32.py. So session 32.py is my program name. So it prints the data, and you can see my name is Alice and I am 30-year-old. So this is used for mapping. Format map is providing the data from dictionary. Okay, what will happen if I change the key value here? Will it change the data as well? Yes, it will affect the data. If I change this, so now it will pick for this placeholder, it will pick the value from age key, which is 30. So if I run it again, so it becomes my name is 30 and I'm year old, which is wrong because we have replaced the key value here. Okay, so let me fix this again. So if I run this again, then it will pick the data correctly because we are providing the name of the key from which we are supposed to pass the value in this placeholder. Okay, now look at the second scenario. In second scenario, what we are doing, we are using two variables, and instead of passing directly the dictionary, we are creating the dictionary inside a parenthesis itself. So you can see the curly braces here. So this part we are directly moving inside a parenthesis. So you can see name, and instead of the value, we are providing the variable from which it will take the value. So usually what we do, we hard code the value here, but this time we are using variable, so it will look at the firstly it will go for placeholder, then from placeholder it will look for that key value key, and for that key the variable is name, so which contains the value, so this is ls. Similarly, it will go for age placeholder, then pick the age key, and then pick the value from the age variable, which is 30. Okay, so the only difference between scenario 1 and scenario 2 is that firstly we are passing the dictionary directly, but in second scenario we are creating the dictionary inside a parenthesis, and the value of the key is coming from the respective variables. Okay, so you can see the second output is also coming like the same. My name is Alice and I'm 30-year-old. Okay, now if you remember in our previous sessions we have also discussed the dot format method. So what is the difference between dot format and dot format underscore map? So there are two difference. First difference is that in dot format underscore map we can only pass dictionary, not a single string, not a variable. Okay, here we are using variable but inside a dictionary itself, so it will only accept dictionary. If you try to insert anything other than dictionary, it will give error. But in case of format, you can provide a string, you can provide variables, you can provide dictionary as well. Okay, so this is the one difference. Now another difference is that in format you can also pass the dictionary there, but at the time when we are passing the dictionary in format method, we have to use star star keyword to unpack the dictionary. We are not supposed to pass the dictionary directly. So what it will take star star free, sorry, star star with that dictionary. Okay, but here you can pass dictionary directly. There is no need to provide any star star. Why we use star star in format? Because we want to unpack the dictionary. So let me show you that example quickly here. So if I replace this with dot format and if I run the program again, it will give error. Why? Because we are not providing star star and it will only accept a star star to unpack the dictionary. This time it is unpacked. Now I have provided star star, and if I rerun this program, so you can see it is working as expected. But previously it was not working as expected. Okay, and similarly if I keep variables here, let's say if I am using this variable and instead of star star dictionary I pass name comma age, so this time it should work. And if I run this, so here we need to pass 0 and here we need to pass 1, because now we are not using dictionary. So instead of key value we are passing the variable. So you can see it is taking my name is Ellis and I'm 30-year-old. This is 0 and 1 for indexing, like from which variable we need to replace the value. So 0 is for name, 1 is for age. But can we do this thing in format underscore map? No, we are not supposed to use this. So let's try. If I replace this with map and if I run this again, this should give error. So it is giving error because it only takes one argument, which is dictionary, and we are providing two argument here. Okay, so I hope now the difference is clear. One difference is that underscore map, format underscore map only accept dictionary or only single argument, where format can accept multiple argument. Another difference is that format only takes dictionary as an argument, but format underscore map only accept dictionary as an argument, but format can take anything, whether it is variable, string, even dictionary. Third difference is while passing dictionary as an argument for format underscore map, it doesn't need any star star or doesn't need to unpack the dictionary. But in case of format, we need star star to unpack the dictionary. We can pass dictionary, but we need to use star star to unpack that dictionary, as we just saw. So these are some basic differences between format and format underscore map, and these are interview questions. Sometimes people ask like, what is the difference between format and format underscore map? So you can tell these scenarios to your interviewer. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.